Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish, and my Leh ride preparation is going in full force. In my last video, you saw how we were all getting ourselves ready to ship our motorcycle from Bangalore to Chandigarh, because it's very important to ship your motorcycle in advance so that there's no last minute glitch. So that's on our way. So that was my first part of the journey. So there's something new which has been added in my gadget list for this ride specially. So what's that? That's an Insta360 motorcycle bundle, which also includes a selfie stick and then the lens cap, and there are a couple of other mounts which are there inside this in the Insta360 X3. Welcome back everyone. So yes, today I'm gonna unbox my all new Insta360 X3, and before we go ahead, I want to thank Mahaveer Studios, which is Mangalore, especially Sudhakar Shenoy. I'm gonna put his number here somewhere. You can see his contact detail, Mr. Sudhakar Shenoy. Special thanks to him and a shout out to him as well. He's given me a super duper deal on this particular unit. So this is a motorcycle combo, and I just ordered, and within a day it was there. Fantastic, and the service is exceptionally good. So if you guys want to buy any of your digital equipments, it could be a camera, motorcycle gear like this, an Insta360 X3 or a GoPro, or anything to do with digital photography and videography, you can connect with Sudhakar Shenoy at Mahaveer Studio. And like I mentioned, his number is here on the screen and also in the description. You can connect with him to buy anything. And without any further ado, let's start unboxing this. So just can't wait to unbox this. So let's just remove this lamination from the box, and this is a motorcycle kit. So the price of this particular unit is 64,990. That's the price of this unit. I've got a very good deal from Mahaveer Studios, which is from Sudhakar Shenoy. So you guys need to go check that out before you purchase. So as a motorcycle kit, what you get is an Insta360 X3, then you get the charging cable, then you have protective pouch, which I just showed you, lens cloth, which I showed you, the memory card is already shown, and then okay, there's this helmet mount. So the metal piece that you saw was the helmet mount, where you can mount it to your helmet. And then you have a tail mount, so you have a back small piece which is a tail mount, and you have cockpit mount. Again, there's one more mount that you can put on the cockpit, and you can put your Insta360 like this. And then you have another mount which was heavy duty claw mount, which was there, the claw mount which was there. So here are the different kind of mounts which has come along with the motorcycle kit. And then again, as a part of this freebie, special thanks to again Mr. Sandesh for getting me this as well. So we've got a lens cover which goes along, very important to keep your camera safe. So there's this lens cover which comes along with this. So you have a nice silicone lens cover. Let me just open that quickly. Wow, feels very good, nice silicone cover. And Insta360 original selfie stick, and the build quality of this is exceptionally good. The entire build quality is exceptionally good, and this has multiple openings. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This opens up as big as close to about 4 feet. And let's just start see what's inside. Very good packing, beautiful. So think bold. Wow, look at this beauty. Brilliant. So you have the Insta360 R itself. Beautiful. Feels very good when it's in your hand. Good weight to it. And then what do we have here? So this is the battery. Am I right or wrong? Let's just have a look at that. This is the battery. What is this? No, these are mounts, 3M stickers, adhesive, to use it with various mounts that this comes with. So I think the battery is inside Insta360 itself. So what do we have here? So we have two mounts that you can use it in different places on your motorcycle. And then you have these, wow, different again mounts to use for your motorcycle. And this is a metal mount so that it's kind of sturdy. So you get 4 different mounts to use in different angles. And with that is this metal mount. And what is this? Okay, this is again a handle mount that you can have on your handle to get different view. And the build quality out here is extremely good. This is completely metal built. Wow, very nice. And okay, there's one more mount which goes on the handle again. So these are different way when you put on the handle. It's not the standard way of mounting them on the handle. So this kind of goes 360 degree, and this is fixed mount on your handle. And then again couple of more adhesive clip-ons which goes along with your camera. And then here, okay, you get a 64 GB free memory card. And there's this box here. What is this? Let's just take this out and see what's in here. How do we open it? Okay, again you have a C-type cable to charge your unit. And then what more do we have here? We have all the accessories, threads to tighten different kind of accessory for different mounts. And then we have a cover to protect the camera. So there's this cover which goes in. Okay, let's just put this back. I was just wondering where are these clips, when I was just looking for the entire thing. So beautiful packing. So that's it. So that was the unboxing of Insta360 X3 motorcycle kit. I'm just super excited to use all of this. Just can't wait to use all of these in my next upcoming ride. So you guys just saw what all goes into the motorcycle kit, and I'm just super excited. Can't wait to use one of this in my upcoming ride, and try to show you guys as many different angles of motorcycling and explore Ladakh in the most beautiful manner. I just can't wait to use these. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and please share some love. And hope you guys like this Insta360 X3. And I'll see you guys very soon. Until the next time, keep it rolling. Bye bye.